Programs tab, you see a list of all programs in use on one or multiple devices in your location. Let's check out 8Tracks. Here we can browse and preview all the songs contained in this program. We can also search for songs or artists using the search box in the upper right-hand corner. Anything you type will search all of the fields. We can also sort by any one of the columns. Don't like a song or artist? Block it. Check out our video tutorial on blocked songs for details. Once you complete all changes you wish to make to your program, click the Save. Then click Publish Changes. If you receive custom music, you will also see a Previews tab. Here, you can listen to proposed songs and leave feedback for individual songs, or even the entire playlist. Be sure and save once you have finished leaving feedback. A notification will then be sent to your music designer to review any comments.